Yo, YouTube, what's the word? What's the word? What's cracking, y'all? I'm over here signing back live. Sorry for the absence, but I've been busy. You know, your boy's an electrician, so that's what I do in real life. But we had we had a little spike recently. I wasn't really too surprised because usually when Dogelon Mars does good, it does it twice. It pumps, dumps, pumps again, and then dumps again, then goes into a consolidation. Wasn't surprised at all. What I wanted to show y'all was this chart right here, y'all. Each blue line that's going up and down, aka vertical, that's a halving date. You feel me? Each one of these blue lines is a halving date. Now, that's just a marker for me to try to time the market or probably, see when the next really big influx of investors are going to come. As you see, we're on this halving date right here. This is our current halving date that we just went through, and we haven't really did much, y'all. There's not much time has passed. Just be patient. Just be patient, y'all. Y'all see the dotted line. This dotted line goes over to our most recent all-time high, which was in 2021. As you see, before the 2021 bull run, we was low. Bitcoin was at 9K. Then once the bull run happened, Bitcoin shot up to 58K, 60K, and then we fell. This whole time was consolidation. We got up to the Bitcoin halving. Now, everyone's wondering when it's going to happen. I think right now it's still a consolidation. Don't buy the. Right now it's a consolidation, and yeah, we're just get in now in this green region. As you see, we are in the hold region now, barely in the hold region, barely on the bottom of it. As you see, barely in the hold region, but the hold region still cheap region. Like, we still are not even in. Let's see, what's that region? What's above hold? Is this a bubble? We're not even in this a bubble, y'all. It's early. If you're watching this, you're early. You're not here. You're not here right before it took off, right before Bitcoin take off. Be early. Don't be a part of the herd. We feast on the herd. The herd gives us nourishment for our families and ourselves. The herd did not get here yet. Don't get your grounding in DCA, y'all. Like we got this, y'all. We got this. I know this is Bitcoin, but whatever Bitcoin do, Dogelon Mars and the rest of the market is going to do. Clearly, we keep on showing strength. They come in once Dogelon Mars is going up, and then as soon as it go down, they run. They tuck their tails. But that's good. We're going to buy their bags. As you see on your phones, it says we had an all-time high. We had an all-time high of 403. Now let's just call that 100x. Granted, we all don't have the same amount of tokens, but for the new guys that are just getting in and don't have that many, probably got 1 or 2 billion and accumulating. That's good. Like, let's just say you put in I think a billion probably costs let's just say someone has $300 worth. So $300 times a 50x. That's 15 racks off of just holding $300. That's if you put in $300, DCA'd it, not just aped in all at once. If you can, if that's your forte, go ahead. But you DCA $300. Now you hold because I'm still going to stick to my guns. From now until September is a consolidation phase, and then once going into September, October, we're going to have a bigger increase. But I still don't believe we're going to be at all-time highs. Still don't. But once we get to all-time highs, expect off a $300 investment, you get 15 racks. Now that's off a 50x. let's go to the 100x because that's what I'm shooting for. Times 100. 30 racks. And that's only off for $300. I know that's simple math, but most of us got more than $300 in this joint. Let's go. Let's see what the let's go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap real quick. CoinMarketCap. Don't buy green candles, y'all. Buy the red. We buy the red to get ahead. We're in greed. Let's wait for this joint to pull back a little bit. You know? If you get in early, you don't need the FOMO. You know what I mean? If you get in early, you don't have to worry about are you going to miss the shit. Get in what you feel as though you want to put in. Meme Alliance 1 hour ago. Elon, Dogelon Mars, Surf Cat both took a drive in Atlantic Meme Ron. Only at Meme Alliance you will whatever. It looked like a Bugatti. But anyway, let's go see what's going on with Dogelon Mars, little TA before we close out. Cause I gotta get out of here. A little TA. Let's go. Wow, my joint name is set up. Stock RSI. Alright. So on Dogelon Mars, we are on the daily. We are still overbought. It's crazy. It looks like we're going to go higher on the daily. We got rejected. Now we're going higher on the daily. Super strong. I like this daily chart. It's looking really good. Looks like we're about to go higher. Why do I let's go for the 3 hour, day, week, month. All right. 3 hour. 3 hour looks like we're about to cross back up. Looks like we're going to have another push up on the 3 hour. We are oversold on the 3 hour. But remember on the daily, we was looking strong, so that makes sense. We might be going up for another push. On the weekly, look like we're about to cross again. So it looks like we're about to have another push up on the monthly. In that mid-range area, look like we're going to cross and go down. So on the monthly, on the week, on 3 indicators, it's looking like we should buy more. I ain't gonna hold you. On the weekly, looking like we should buy on the daily. On the daily, it's overbought, but we're going higher. So that tells me we're just gonna arc back down, do like one of these moves right here and just go back down. Bitcoin, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. But for Dogelon Mars, on the 3 hour, if you're day trading, yeah, it looks good. On the daily, overbought. On the weekly, oversold. On the monthly, in that mid range, I will look for a pullback just because of this daily chart. Because we're so high up there. We're so high up there. I would definitely look for a pullback. If you're in, enjoy the ride if it keeps on going up. But me personally, I would want it to pull back a little bit more, since we're so high. And especially since Bitcoin is cooling off. Bitcoin is cooling off. Let's go to Bitcoin. Yeah, we was just at 60 not too long ago. On the monthly, yeah, we're going down. Bitcoin about to go down. So you already know what the rest of the market's going to do. Bitcoin's going to go down. So right now, that tells me Dogelon Mars is pump faking. Like, nah, I mean, it's about to go down. You feel me? We're about to retest some lows. On the weekly, we just crossed and it's saying we're going to go up. That's on the weekly though. Daily, extremely overbought. Extremely overbought. That means don't buy today. And on the 3 hour, it's oversold. Look like we're about to go higher on the 3 hour. So in 3 hours we might go higher. In a day we might drop. In a week we might go higher. In a month we might go lower. So pretty much, wait for this. I will wait for Bitcoin to consolidate a little bit because we just had a little pump. Let's see what's going to happen. We could still retest. We could still retest. Them 60s, them lower 60s and mid 60s. Let's see what's going to happen. No one knows the future, but one thing I do see for a fact is that we just had a Bitcoin halving and we still have time to trade around, as you see. Not after any Bitcoin halving, they went straight up. Even this one took a dip in before it really ascended. You know what I mean? And yeah, it takes a while, y'all. We still in the waiting room. It's your boy Moonbound signing off. I hope everyone had a nice weekend. If I could get off this joint.